Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to top up your Orange SIM card easily. First, go to topup.orange.com on your browser. Select the country where the top up will be sent. Enter the Orange mobile number, then click top up. Choose your amount, then register or pay using your credit or debit card. Alternatively, you can top up by dialing 123 hash from your Orange mobile. If you're abroad, you can also dial the same number to top up. And that's it. Your Orange SIM should be reloaded instantly. And that's how to top up your Orange SIM card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.